Grab your drinks and raise them up high as we get ready to count down. Party people, grab your drinks and get ready for the fight.